Hey learners, hope you all are doing well. I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. Let's start with our Vedic Maths series without wasting time. I'm sure you all are enjoying this Vedic Maths series and you want more and more such Vedic tricks. So stay tuned till the end. In the previous session, we saw multiplication of two numbers whose unit digit add to 10 and the remaining digits are same. Just to revise, let's take one example on it so that you'll recall what we took in the previous session. Multiplication of 103 with 107. Does it fit in the same category? Yes. Addition of the unit is 10 and the remaining digits are same. What I had told you, how to find out? The first part is what comes before unit, that is 10, and what is after 10? 11. Multiply 10 into 11, 110. That is the first part. And the second part is so simple, just multiply unit place digit. What is that unit place? 3 and 7. So multiplying 3 with 7, 21. Combine this, you'll get an answer 11,021. That simple it is. I hope you are remembering it. Just to recall, I took again in this session one example. Let's continue with today's discussion. Today, I'm going to tell you how to find out square of numbers between 50 and 60. Okay, very simple trick which Vedic has provided. Just see how these Rishi Munis have written this Vedic tricks in a text form, and then we are studying it in our day to day life. Now I'll tell you how to find out square of numbers which range between 50 and 60. As an example, 57 square. Does it fit in that criteria? Yes. 56 square, 59 square. Is it? Now how to find out answer? Again here the answer is going to be of two parts. Now first part is so simple, you just have to add 25 plus unit place digit. What you'll do? 25 plus unit place digit. And after adding 25 with unit place digit, you'll get the first part. That's all. Clear? And the second part is square of unit place. That simple it is. Okay? And single digit square is not a big task. Okay? So what is to be done? The first part is 25 plus unit place digit, and the second part of your answer is going to be square of unit place digit. That simple. Combine it, you'll get the answer. Isn't it easy? Yes. Let's take one example. 57 square. Now to find out 57 square, I told you the first part is 25 plus unit place digit. So what is that unit place? 7. And 25 plus 7 is 32. Is it? That's all. That will give you the first part. And the second part is square of unit place. What is that unit place? 7. And 7 square is 49. Okay? Join this and you'll get the answer. Don't you think it's so easy? Instead of multiplying 57 by 57, that is our traditional method. Now, many times in school, we are taught that in your academic exam, you have to follow that principle only because that is the rule of schools. To get marks, you have to follow all the steps. But as I said, like if you're appearing for different competitive exams, like school students are appearing for some Olympiad exams or NCRT exams, or college students are appearing for their entrance exams or company aptitude, they can follow this technique because they are fast. Isn't it? Yes. Therefore, the solution of 57 square is 3249. Let's see one more example for your practice. 56 square. Okay. Now, what will be the first part? 25 plus 6. That simple it is. The first part is always 25 plus unit place digit. So what is at unit place? 6, and 25 plus 6 is going to be 31. And the second part is always square of unit. Now in this case, who is at unit place? 6. 6 square is 36. Join both and you'll get answer 3136. Isn't it easy? Yes. Are you excited to learn many more such technique? Yes. And therefore, please don't forget to comment in the comment box. Let's see one more example. 52 square. You do it in your mind. 52 square. The first part is going to be 25 plus 2. That's simple. 25 plus unit place digit. Who is at unit place? 2. 25 plus 2 is 27. And 27 is going to be the first part. And second part, as usual, I told you, square of unit. Who is at unit? 2. 2 square is 4. But always remember the second part has to be of 2 digit. So prepend it with 1 0 and you'll get 04. Join it and you get the answer as 2704. Is it? Okay. To wind up with today's session, we'll take one more example, that is 53 square. Okay, but remember this is coming in specific technique because it is applicable for some specific combination of numbers, that is numbers between 50 and 60. Okay, now can you tell me what will be the first part? 25 plus unit place digit. So 25 plus 3 is 28. That is the first part. And second part is square of unit. What is at unit place? 3, and 3 square is 9. As it is single digit, we have to prepend it with 1 0. We get 09. Now combine this both, you'll get 2809, and that is your answer. I'm sure you are really liking this series, and if you are giving support to us, we'll come with more and more such technique. Don't forget to comment in the comment box. As always, I keep telling, keep learning, keep evolving. See you in the next session with one more such Vedic math trick. Thank you. God bless you.